Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be comparing two amazing cameras, the Sony a7E and the Fujifilm X-T5 mirrorless digital camera. We'll be evaluating these cameras based on various categories to help you make an informed decision. So let's dive right in. Both cameras feature advanced image sensors, but the Sony a7E takes the lead with its 24.2 MP BSI full-frame image sensor, offering a 1.8x readout speed. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 boasts an impressive 40.2 megapixel X-Trans 5-hour CMOS sensor, delivering exceptional image quality. When it comes to ISO performance, the Sony a7E offers an ISO range of 50 to 204,800. Meanwhile, the Fujifilm X-T5 extends its native ISO range up to ISO 125. Both cameras deliver outstanding results in low-light conditions. The Sony a7E excels in autofocus capabilities with its 693 phase detection and 425 contrast AF points, covering 93% of the image frame. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 provides powerful autofocus performance to ensure it's ready for action. Both cameras feature a classic design, but the Sony a7E is equipped with a 35mm full-frame Exmor-R CMOS sensor, providing exceptional image quality. The Fujifilm X-T5 offers a compact and lightweight body with intuitive dials for quick and easy settings, even when the camera is switched off. And that's a wrap. We've compared these two incredible cameras, the Sony a7E and the Fujifilm X-T5 mirrorless digital camera, based on their image sensors, ISO range, autofocus points, and design. Both cameras have their unique strengths, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.